Windows 11 secretly hide the classic right-click menu. Here's how to bring it back in 30 seconds. First, search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to HKEY Current User. Software classes then CLSID. In the empty space on the right, right-click and select New then Key. Name this key with the value provided. You can find it in the video description. After creating it, right-click the new key, choose New then Key again. Name this second key, InProc Server 32. Now click it, and on the right side, double-click Default. Make sure the value is completely empty, then click OK. Close the editor and restart your PC. Now, when you right-click anywhere, the old Windows 10 style menu will appear instantly. If you ever want the Windows 11 menu back, just delete the key you created. No restart needed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips.